The following chart is called a Vedic square. Each number in the chart is found by multiplying the number at the top of its column by the number at the left of its row. When a product has more than one digit in it, these are added to give a single digit. For example, 8 times 2 is equal to 16, but then 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Just to map this out more clearly, let's actually show you on the diagram. We have 8 here, and we have 2 here. So we go across to our number, and the way to find this number is you have to do 8 times 2. What did 8 times 2 give you? 16. Then you added 1 and 6 to give you 7, the final result of this square. So I hope that makes it clear how this Vedic square works. Moving on to our question, it says the Vedic square shown is incomplete. The number missing at P is... Okay, so let's get rid of this and start working on finding out what number is missing at P. We know from the explanation before that to find P, we need to look up towards the row heading, which gives us an 8, and across to this other row heading, which is 8. So, what do? We find the product. 8 times 8 is equal to 64. If the product has more than one digit in it, according to this rule, we are added to give a single digit. 6 and 4 add up to give you 10. Again, that's not a single digit, so we have to add them again. And now we get 1. So, the number at P should just be a 1, and our answer should be B.